Alright, welcome back to another episode 2 of the RX7. And today we have a battery for the RX7. So we're going to see if all the electronics and stuff like that work. See if the headlights pop up. And I got some tools. I this little set. And yeah. So I guess the first thing we have to do is pop the hood. And yes, we moved it back. So yeah. Just open it up real quick. And you won't know how to do it. Just boom. Uh, Ow. Just like that. And then you just grab it. Did it not open? Damn. And then you just grab here. Pull up. Since I only have one hand, I gotta hold it with my elbow. Put this in here. And then boom. There you go. So the battery goes right here. And then there's positive, negative. I just gotta put the battery in. And then plug it in. And yeah, well, first I need to check to see if everything is like plugged in. Like, think this. I need to put this on here because it's not connected. I just have to get a flathead for that. And let me just do that real quick. Alright, so I took it off, and it looks like we're probably going to need some more of this for that. But yeah, I will have to write that down. And then I'll probably just, yeah, I don't know. Alright, so I just hooked up a little bit. I'm going to replace that at some point once I figure out what that is so I can get more of that. And then I'll fix that. Alright, now I'm going to put the battery in there. And then, yeah. Alright, now I put the battery in. I would just take these things off. Boom, there's one. Yeah. Oh, damn. Fuck. 1 second. Alright, got it off. Now we just need to hook it up. Just like. Alright, so got the battery plugged in, so now I'm gonna shut this and then go in there and see if stuff works. Alright, so let me just flip this. Ooh, they pop up. Let's go. And then, nice. What about hazards? Hazards work. What about uh, okay, I don't know. Yeah. Ooh, that turned on. Does this work? I don't know. But yeah, so yeah, the headlights turn on, so that's a good sign. Very good sign. And they pop up, so that's good. That's very good. I'm happy about that. So W, honestly, like yeah. All right, so I'm gonna try and do something with the key. See if something happens. Okay, so put it in. Very finicky. I got it to turn to that. Ooh, that stuff works. Add coolant, add engine oil, and gen. I hear something happening, but I don't know what it is. But yeah, it's at half. Huh. But yeah, I don't think that's normal. What the heck? But we're gonna pop the headlights up. See high beams back down to low, and turn them off. But yeah, I don't think that's supposed to happen. But yeah. Alright, before I try and like start and stuff like that, I want to do like some tests and stuff like that. But that'll be like next episode, or yeah, next episode. So probably just gonna leave it at that for now. And yeah, just stay tuned for whenever I get around to that. I need to do a bunch of research and stuff because I want to make sure when I try and start it, like I don't do something wrong and it, like breaks. So I need to figure that out before I do that. All right, well, see you guys next time.